Network topology. Network topology refers to how the nodes, devices, and links in a network are arranged. Topology is equal to layout. Topologies can be wired and wireless. There are number of topologies, but the most common are bus, ring, star, and mesh topologies. Bus network topology. In bus network topology, every node or computer is connected directly to the main cable. Bus topology typically use coaxial cable and BNC connector. We also call that T connector. Ring topology. In a ring topology, nodes or computers are connected in a loop or ring. This kind of topology is very old and is rarely used today. Star network topology. In a star network topology, all nodes or computers are connected to a single central hub, and each node is directly connected through that hub or switch. Mesh topology. A mesh topology is defined by overlapping connections between nodes. In a mesh topology, there is no central connection point. You can create a full mesh topology where every node in the network is connected to every other node.